how to hide likes on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide likes and reactions on Facebook posts and Reels step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu button in the top right corner. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings. Within Settings, under Preferences, you'll see Reaction Preferences. Here, you'll see two different options. The first option lets you hide the number of reactions on other people's posts and Reels. If you turn this on, you won't see like counts or reactions on posts from other people. The second option lets you hide reaction counts on your own posts and Reels. Turn this on if you don't want other people seeing the number of likes on your Facebook posts. Once enabled, the like and reaction counts will be hidden automatically. And that's it. That's how you can hide likes on Facebook easily.